my best friend too.
Hello everyone.
In dedication to Pride Month 2019,
In this special video, we will be making
Magical Rainbow Cupcakes. So let's get started.
So Phil, what do we have here today?
So the ingredients for the cupcakes are 2 eggs, 1 cup of sugar, half a cup of sour cream.
Sour cream for what?
It keeps the cake moist. A secret ingredient. And then for the flour, we have 1½ cup of all-purpose flour. This is a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of milk, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and half a butter. Now for the frosting, we have 3 cups of powdered sugar, 1 cup of unsalted butter, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. So first, we're gonna start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees. Then we can go ahead and start mixing the dry ingredients together. So can you pour in the flour? And then the salt. And the powdered sugar. Thank you. I mean baking powder, not powder. Next, we're going to go ahead and cream the butter and the sugar. Can you go ahead and put the butter in the stand mixer?
Right in there.
And I'll go ahead and put in the sugar. And we're gonna go ahead and cream this for 3 minutes until the butter has turned pale yellow. Once the butter is creamed and pale yellow, go ahead and add the vanilla extract. Mix it. Now we're gonna go ahead and add 1 egg at a time and go ahead and mix it into the mixture. Once the egg's incorporated, go ahead and add the sour cream. Now we're gonna go ahead and add the dry ingredients, 1/3 of it at a time. And go ahead and add the milk. We're gonna put half a cup into each separate cup or bowl. So what we're doing next is adding the rainbow color into the batter. So you're gonna help me with these colors here, and I'll work on these. And we're just gonna use a drop, okay, though?
Okay.
Now we're gonna go ahead and add each of the batter color, 1 color at a time. And we're gonna scoop about less than a tablespoon. Now, pop these in the oven and bake for 18 to 20 minutes. Now for the frosting, we're gonna go ahead and add the butter. So can you help me add the butter?
Okay then.
And I'll help you with 1. And then we're just gonna beat it until it's pale white, pale yellow. Now after the butter has been creamed, we're gonna go ahead and add the powdered sugar. I'm gonna add a little bit at a time, maybe 1/3 of the batch. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add the milk in, as well as the vanilla extract, and go ahead and mix that to incorporate. After letting the cupcakes completely cool to the touch, we can go ahead and start frosting the cupcakes. Let's go. These are so pretty! Yours looks so pretty though.
Thank you. It's my first time.
So why don't you finish it off with rainbow sprinkles?
Oh, this is the fun part.
Woo! Okay guys, we finished our Magical Rainbow Cupcakes. If you have any questions or comments, don't forget to leave them down below. And if you like more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video.
Happy Pride, everyone.
Happy Pride.
Goodbye.
Bye.